Today on World Famous Foods with Mr. Naz, oven baked chicken wings. Let's cook. Okay, so we're using some flats and some drumettes today. Just pat dry these. So we're gonna mix together our dry rub for our chicken wings. Got some garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, got some Scotch Bonnet Powder. See, check this out. Put some heat in here. And we got some baking powder. Just mix this all up together. All right, folks, now we're gonna put our chicken in our rub here. And just coat these all the way. See that? So we got some bacon spray. Then we're gonna just place our chicken on here. I'm gonna bake this for about 20 minutes, 425. Okay, it's time to put these in the oven for 20 minutes. And then we're going to turn them for another 20 minutes, 425 Fahrenheit. All right, it's been 20 minutes. We're going to turn these. Oh yeah. So back in the oven for another 20 minutes. All right, folks, the last 20 minutes are good. Chicken is done. Let's see here. Listen to this. That crispiness. All right. Let's plate this. All right, folks. Here's our World Famous Foods oven baked chicken wings. Look at this. We're gonna enjoy this with some of the homemade sauce. World Famous Foods, baby.